As a part of the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation, it's time for our students to revise the concept of multiples. And for that, we will be giving them an interesting homework activity as discussed at the end of our previous video. Begin by informing the students that as a part of revising the concept of multiples, which they have learnt thus far, they will have to play a game using dice with their parents at home. As the students interact and spend time with their parents, it will inculcate the values of respect and politeness in them. Now, inform the students that the game will have to be played for a total of 10 rounds. In every round, the students as well as their parents will each get a turn to throw 2 dice at once. After the dice are thrown, they will have to make 2-digit numbers using the numbers that can be seen on the face of each dice and check if the number is a multiple of 4, 5, 6 or 7. If it is not a multiple of any of these numbers, then the number will have to be reversed and checked again. Inform the students that, for instance, let's assume that they get the numbers 2 and 3 on their thrown dice. Then, the two 2-digit numbers that they can form from these numbers are 23 and 32. So, they will have to first check if 23 is the multiple of 4, 5, 6 or 7. Now, since it isn't a multiple of any of these numbers, they will then have to check the reversed number. That is, if the number 32 is a multiple of any of these numbers. If it is a multiple, they will have to note the number in the corresponding circles marked with the numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7 as shown. Considering our example, the number 32 will be written in the circle belonging to number 4. Also, inform the students that they as well as their parents will have to maintain an observation table to note down every number that they get and record their observations accordingly. Draw the observation table on the blackboard for the students to copy in their notebooks and note some examples in it so that it is easier for them to understand. Inform the students that after 10 rounds, they will each have to count the total number of tick marks in their table. The participant with the highest number of tick marks will be the winner of the game. Wasn't that an interesting way to make our students revise the concept of multiples? In our next video, we will begin exploring the concept of factors while implementing the same innovative idea of concept explanation. Stay tuned.